you for joining us for another Member Spotlight with the Greater Bluffton Chamber of Commerce. I'm Natalie Osterman, and I do want to, of course, recognize Seaglass Windowscapes. They are our presenting sponsor this year. But joining us today, we have both Ryan and Jessica from MiraSol Health, which you all have actually some exciting news because you all did recently go through a rebranding. So if you all could, please tell us more about the rebranding.
Yeah, of course, and thank you for having us here today. It's always great to talk about what we're doing in the community. We did go through a rebranding. It's a new name, but it's the same mission. We've been in the community for over 40 years as Hospice Care of the Low Country, but we really needed to kind of shift that rebrand to show what we do outside of just hospice care. We have both inpatient and outpatient palliative care in the Low Country Palliative Care Program. We still have Hospice Care of the Low Country. That name's not going anywhere. It's just a program of MiraSol Health. And we actually just did a ribbon cutting for our Maggie Clark volunteer program, which is named after the former volunteer coordinator that was with us for so long.
So I know, of course, with the rebranding, you all have also expanded into some other areas in our community. Can you talk more about that?
We're in Hampton and Colleton County now, offering our hospice and palliative service as well, and our Maggie Clark volunteer program for those patients.
So how do people, when they're in need of this, and I know that's at a really trying time for them in their lives and maybe even a hard decision to make that call, but how do they go about starting this process with you all?
So a lot of times the physician has that conversation, or the facility if they're in assisted living or skilled nursing, and they can reach out to our office, or they can call me and I can come out and have an education with them, their family, and just explain the differences in hospice versus palliative to see which one best fits them and their prognosis at the time.
Amazing. Now, I know you all have also experienced tremendous growth over the past year and even beyond that. Are there any numbers that you all can share as far as the impact that you all have made in the community?
Yeah, absolutely. We're really proud to say that between our hospice and palliative programs, we're serving over 200 patients per day. That's really tremendous growth, and it just shows the need in our community, and that was just in Beaufort and Jasper County. And we looked at, kind of what the need is in Colleton and Hampton County, and that's why we decided to expand our services into those areas, just like she said. And
that's incredible. You all have done an amazing job, and of course 40 years to celebrate in this market, in this industry, and I know the best is yet to come for you all and the growth that you all are achieving. So can you share a telephone number, how people can actually get in contact with you, where you're located at if they need to come visit you?
Yeah, absolutely. You can always check us out online at mirasolhealth.org, or you can call our office anytime. It's 843-706-2296.
Wonderful. Well, thank you both so much for joining us. Again, I'm Natalie Osterman with the Greater Bluffton Chamber of Commerce, and I'd like to recognize Seaglass Windowscapes as our sponsor for our Member Spotlight.